OM System said no. For years, every time someone asked about a new pen camera, the answer was the same. No plans, no concept, not happening. But something changed between last year and this year's CP Plus. The same executive who shut down every PEN rumor just stood in front of cameras and said, "The design concept has started and progress is good. No specs, no release date, no images, just that." And somehow, that's enough to have the entire Micro Four Thirds community paying attention again. So today, we're breaking down what exactly is going on with the rumored OM System Pen EP8, what the leaks actually say, and whether this camera is even coming anytime soon. Let's get into it. To understand why this rumor is such a big deal, you need to know where the Pen series actually stands right now. The last Pen camera released was the Olympus Pen EP7. That was back in 2021, and even then, it wasn't a global launch. It was limited to Japan and parts of Europe only. It didn't make much noise. Sales were quiet. And when OM System took over from Olympus, the Pen line just sat there. No update, no announcement, no roadmap. Meanwhile, OM System was busy with other things. The OM1, the OM5, the OM3, all OMD-style bodies, bigger, chunkier, more wildlife-focused. The compact, stylish, rangefinder-inspired Pen DNA, it was completely missing from the lineup. And for a lot of photographers, that gap was frustrating. Now here's where it gets interesting. At CP Plus 2025, that's the big annual camera trade show in Japan, OM System's VP for brand strategy and product planning, Kazuhiro Togashi, was asked directly about the Pen's future. His answer was clear. They hadn't decided the concept. The design hadn't started. Nothing was on the drawing board. He also made it clear the OM3 was not a replacement for the Pen. Different purpose, different audience entirely. So at that point, most people wrote off the Pen EP8 completely. But then CP Plus 2026 arrived. Same executive, same question, very different answer. That's a complete turnaround from 12 months earlier. And he didn't stop there. He added that the new Pen will, quote, satisfy many, many younger generations in the future. That phrase alone is significant, because it tells us something about who OM System is building this camera for, not wildlife shooters, not professionals, younger creators, street photographers, people who want something small, stylish, and capable. So why did OM System change their mind? Simple, the compact camera market came back strong. At 2026, Togashi confirmed they're closely monitoring the trend, noting steady growth over the past few years, and it makes sense. Cameras like the Fujifilm X106 are selling out, the Ricoh GR has a cult following, and Sony's ZV series is everywhere. People want more than just phones. They want something with character. OM System knows this. With their legacy and compact MFT bodies, they're sitting on a huge opportunity. Even in a March 2026 Petapixel interview, they hinted at it. Maybe we are thinking of an opportunity for that in development. Not a denial, an opening. The market shifted, and OM System is shifting with it. Now, let's talk about what the leaks and rumors are actually saying about the camera itself. And I want to be straight with you here. There are no leaked images, no leaked spec sheets, no prototype photos. Nothing like that has surfaced yet. What we have is a camera that is officially in the design concept phase. That's the stage before engineering even begins. So we're early. But based on everything OM System has said publicly, plus what the community and insiders are discussing, here's what the picture looks like. The Pen series has always had a clear identity: compact, rangefinder-inspired, flat body, stylish enough to wear as an accessory. That DNA is likely to return. Togashi specifically said the Pen F was about, quote, ultimate beauty and the ultimate craftsmanship. That's a different language than what they used to describe the OM3 or OM1. It suggests the new Pen will lean into aesthetics in a way their current lineup doesn't. This one is interesting. At CP Plus 2026, OM System made their sensor strategy pretty clear. They are not chasing high megapixel counts. Togashi explained that computational photography, Things like their LiveND, high-res shot mode, and AI subject detection actually works better with 20 megapixel sensors than with 40 megapixel sensors. So if a Pen EP8 arrives, expect the same class of 20 megapixel micro four thirds sensor we've seen in the OM5 and OM3, not a downgrade, just consistent with where OM system is heading. Every public statement from OM system points in the same direction. This camera is being built for younger creators and street photographers, not wildlife, not sports, portability, style, and everyday shooting. That also means we could see more color options, a more fashion-forward body design, and features geared towards social sharing and video, similar to what competitors like Fujifilm have done so well with the X100 series. One thing insiders have flagged: OM system is unlikely to build a video-first camera. Their DNA is photography. Don't expect a vlogging-focused body. Expect a stills-first, creator-friendly compact. The big question everybody wants answered: when is this actually coming? Honest answer, probably not 2026. The insiders closest to this have been pretty consistent. The Fotolari interview team, who were the first to get the executive confirmation, said their gut feeling is that 2026 is not happening, and that lines up with where the project actually is. Design concept phase, that's not a camera that's 6 months from announcement. That's a camera that could still be 2 to 3 years away. The most likely scenario based on everything leaked so far, the Pen EP8 follows after the OM13 and Tough TG8 launches. Those are the cameras closer to completion. The Pen is behind them in the queue. But here's the thing, just 12 months ago, the project didn't even exist officially. The fact that concept work has started, that the financial situation is stable, and that OM system is watching the compact market closely, that's meaningful momentum. Let me put this in perspective for a second. The Micro Four Thirds system has always had a unique selling point. Small bodies, small lenses, good image quality. That's the promise. But if you look at what OM system has been releasing lately, the OM1, the OM3, these are not small cameras. They're proper enthusiast bodies with grips and weather sealing and pro-level build quality. The Pen was the other side of that coin, the camera you actually put in your pocket, the one that didn't look like a serious camera but still delivered proper MFT image quality. That gap in the market hasn't been filled, and with compact cameras booming, with younger creators driving demand, and with OM system now publicly saying the project is moving, the Pen EP8 could be one of the most important cameras they've released in years. If they get it right, premium build, modern autofocus, that signature Pen aesthetic, this thing has cult camera written all over it. So that's where we stand with the OM system Pen EP8. Design concept phase confirmed, project officially underway, timeline uncertain, but the momentum is real. No leaked specs yet, no images, but the story is moving, and when it does leak, we'll cover it first. If you want to stay on top of every leak and rumor as it drops, subscribe and hit the bell. Because when this one moves, it's going to move fast. Drop a comment below. What do you want to see in the Pen EP8? Premium compact or entry level? EVF or no EVF? Let's talk.